Hey guys, what's up guys? And in today's video, I'm gonna be talking to you guys about affiliate marketing and Pinterest. Pinterest is, I think it's one of the most underrated platforms of all times, and the possibilities of making money with Pinterest is incredible, especially in the affiliate marketing domain. And I always say that Pinterest is a very lady friendly site. And please, before I get started, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. This will motivate me to make more videos and show you guys exactly how I do to make money online. Okay, I first of all want to start by going to a site called SimilarWeb. You know, I'm going to SimilarWeb for you guys. For you guys to see the potential of Pinterest. Yeah. Okay. Yes. You see, monthly visits of 900 million. Okay. Okay. Thanks. Uh, yeah. This Pinterest.com in general. 26th, 25th in the United States. You know, it has gone up to 1.1 billion. Other months 1 billion. January of recent. And Pinterest is a great if you want to rank in the US. If you want to make money in the US, I'll advise you to look more into Pinterest. And you know, I myself I started it this month, and just by yeah, the numbers I'm getting just this month. I just started of recent, and I thought maybe it would be great for you guys to start. So okay, now let's take a niche like meditation. Let's look for something within a meditation, and you can see you have meditation pictures and all the like. Let's analyze. I always love to check out the profile. Give me a minute. Okay, take for example, see this page. uh she does on parenting and all the like. Okay. She has 2 million monthly visitors. Mind you, this looks like a Pinterest. This looks this looks like a Pinterest. This looks like a motivation niche sector. She has 2 million monthly visits, monthly views. Do you know what you can do in the space of 2 million views? So I just want to look for another example. Uh, let's see. Meditation videos. Let me just go to videos, and I just want to show you. I want to show you the potential. Just give me a minute. Okay, sorry. Okay, what this guy does is he just uploads videos from download pictures and uploads. You can upload any meditation video, and you edit it deep relaxation music. Let me try manifestation. Yeah. Okay. This is a very big niche on Pinterest. Okay, what this girl does is you go to TikTok and you download videos on TikTok. you know you download videos from Facebook, you download videos from Instagram. And this girl, why is she just posted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 videos, and that's all. you know if you're lazy, you can't make money. You see, right? Just with 11 videos, she has already 11,000 views. And let me see the site. let's see what she's promoting. Okay, this looks like a ClickBank product and all the like. If I click on yes, 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 money. Okay, bam, it takes you over to to to, to a product. And if you sign up or you someone purchases, and so actually what she did is just uploading videos every day. So what if, see how lazy she is? Just imagine how active you can be. If you're active, for example, man, you'll be able to make a lot of money for yourself. You'll be able to make, okay, this has site. No, okay, sorry. It's ranking by Google sites, but you know, let's see another person. Let's see another person. Meditation. Just wanna look for someone. Let's see another person. Okay, let me put videos. I'm teaching you guys how to search for which content. She has 144.3k monthly views, and yeah, all she has to do is just upload meditation videos, and that's it. The worst part is these people aren't even they aren't even consistent. Because let's see, it sends you over to Amazon. Okay, if you buy something, affiliate commissions, 1,324 ratings. So now, you need an action plan, and in the action plan, what you have to do is you have to post about 3 videos per day, and you link it over to your affiliate product or whatever product you wanna promote. So the more videos you have, the more chances of you for making money. And once you link in, people can purchase products, people can visit your site. So I always speak about consistency, and consistency is everything. If you aren't consistent, you won't make money. And yep, so you can come over to clickbank.com, and yes, I don't know, you log in. I already have an account. Sorry, you know. And when you're in clickbank.com, wait, uh, and yeah, actually a new ClickBank account I created just for this video, and just look for all offers, and you can come to, and wealth manifestation, soulmate manifestation, and then from there now you'll be able to make a lot of money for yourself. And okay guys, I have a link in my description below. you know uh if you want to learn this method, hands to hands down, check out the link in my description, whereby I give the fastest and easiest way for you to start making money without a website, without without investing any money, completely free of charge. Yeah, you're gonna make a lot of money for yourself, for your family. You can quit your job and all the like. And yes, I believe in consistency, and yeah. So please don't forget to check the link in my bio. And if you have any further questions, you can let me know. I'm always here for you. And okay, thank you, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.